Hey makers, this is Yana with Mockys. Today I'm going to show you how to take multiple pages of paper and cut it on one single mat. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing for more helpful tutorials for making cake toppers. Also, please take a look and join Mockys Makers Club on Facebook to get your 20% off code and other member perks. Okay, well, let's get started. What we need to do first is cut our pieces of paper to the size that we need for our project. So let's do that first. My project is about 3 inches, so this is what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna cut it down first manually, my pieces of paper, cut it down to be a little bit bigger than the project size. Now take your cut pieces and arrange it on your mat. I like to give it some space so I can easily move things around on the screen. Now first go into Cricut Design Space, create a new project, then go ahead and upload your file. Hit upload. I already loaded this design into my computer, so now all I have to do is go to open uploaded images. And here are the numbers that I'm going to be working with. If you want to get this file, go ahead and look for the link below the video. Now hit insert. We only need one number from here, so I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Go to actions, ungroup. Now select the numbers that you don't need and delete them by hitting the X and X again. So first what we want is we want to size the project to the size of the paper that we need. Go ahead and select and hit edit. I'm gonna make it 3 inches. This is the size of paper that I just cut. Now I'm gonna ungroup. So actions, ungroup. And for my purpose, I'm gonna go ahead and duplicate the topmost layer. This is the holographic layer that I have, and material that I chose is very thin. So I want to make a backer layer. So I'm gonna duplicate the top layer so I can go ahead and glue a thicker cardstock underneath the holographic layer. Now go ahead and select all of them. This is the main step for all of this to work in order to be able to cut all your layers on one mat. And what we're gonna do now is hit edit and choose cut and this question mark because it's different colors currently, but we're gonna go ahead and choose one color. Doesn't matter which color you choose, we want to make sure that all your layers are the same color and apply. Now that we have all of them the same color, they will be able to cut on one layer. Go ahead and hit make. You're almost done. Select the SnapMat. This will take a picture of your mat and the way the little pieces are arranged. Select use. Now go ahead and arrange click continue. Now go ahead and load your Cricut and press go. you are done cutting. Now let's go ahead and assemble the pieces. Because this top layer, the holographic one, is very thin, I cut another one to match exact the same size, and I will just glue it on top so it's much stronger. Now to create our 3D number, we simply have to put in foam squares in between each layer. And if you have any questions, join Mockys Makers Club on Facebook and post your questions there. I'll see you there. Talk to you soon. Bye.